Good morning and welcome back to the show. James Rural XRP. The sun is trying to peek out today in Texas, but it's supposed to rain today. But that's okay. We woke up this morning. We're joyful. We're happy. We're excited about this crazy adventure that we're having with cryptocurrencies and blockchain and trying to educate the world and educate our friends and our loved ones and everyone else. But it's going to be an awesome weekend. It is Saturday. I have a couple of different things to cover, mostly XRP centric, but we're going to have a good time today. And I want to thank everyone out there that has supported my sister. She is going through stage 4 breast cancer. She has been through several stages of chemo. She met with the doctors in Galveston a couple of days ago to go over her upcoming surgery. But I wanted to thank everyone out there. I can't thank you enough for you, for strangers we don't even know. The family is strong. We pray, we survive, and we continue to love. And go away, cancer. I love you, Jamie, with all my heart. We're going to get through this. All right, let's take a look at the numbers. Total crypto numbers at CoinGecko.com. The market is up 1.2%. Total market cap is $2.42 trillion. Bitcoin is $68,446. Ethereum is $1,987. XRP is up a little bit at $1.45. And we're going to look at some things XRP. First of all, Crypto Bull right here states this. The majority of you holding XRP still don't grasp what you actually own. You think it's just another coin. You think it's a speculative ticket to the moon. You're wrong. XRP is the single cleanest, most neutral, most battle-tested digital asset ever engineered for global finance. I couldn't have said it any better. I have been teaching and preaching for 6 years. I've been in this space for 9 years. XRP is my #1 holding. I do hold other cryptocurrencies that have a use case utility. I don't own doggy coins. I don't own hamster coins. I don't own anything that is speculative that could be a rug pull. So if you can clear your mind and focus on where we're going in this evolution of digital blockchain, finance, tokenization, and everything else, you will understand that XRP is very important and is a very important holding in your wallets. This is some XRP news. SBI Holdings launches revolutionary on-chain bond that pays investors in XRP. SBI is heavily invested in Ripple. They're heavily invested in XRP. And Japanese financial conglomerate SBI Holdings has introduced a groundbreaking investment vehicle that fundamentally changes how bonds operate. The company issued this blockchain-based bond specifically targeting individual investors, marketing a strategic shift towards retail cryptocurrency adoption. According to reports from the Crypto Basic, investors receive XRP corresponding to their investment amount immediately after subscribing, and furthermore, participants can anticipate additional XRP rewards when interest payments occur 1 to 3 years later. So all of the big players, all the big banks, all the big financial institutions are bringing XRP into their treasury, and many amazing things are happening. Now, this is a fun video right here. I don't know who this individual is, Mayflower 3096, but this is what XRP has gone through in the past 5 or 6 years, and this is how XRP has responded. Right here, you got XRP versus the SEC. Bitcoin Max, SEC, beating the hell out of XRP. And then what happens? One hit, XRP knocks them on their ass. XRP is not a security. XRP was deemed not a security a couple of years ago, and we're winning, people. All you got to do is hold. All you got to do is hold. WellFud just in, XRP Wells with balances between 10 million and 100 million XRP now hold their largest supply share in history. What does that mean? That means that individuals, wells, financial institutions, major players are scooping up XRP. They're scooping it up, scooping it up, scooping it up. Here in the next couple of years, are you going to have access to XRP? Are you going to be able to buy XRP on any of the exchanges? That is the question. Anders gets this out, and I posted a video a couple of days ago with Brad Garlinghouse at the Economic Club of New York. Only 25 people had viewed the video. Everybody got it out after I shared it. And would you buy a bank was the question. Brad Garlinghouse has the worst poker face. Look at this. Would you team up with a bank in a way? And Brad Garlinghouse has this shit-eating grin like, I cannot answer that question. I cannot answer that question. So for the last few days, I have been talking about MXI. MXI has vamped up its ecosystem. The Delta wallet has gone live. It's easy money. It's global access. The MXI token is now a treasury token on top of the XRP ledger. And a lot of you out there are asking me, James, how do I get the MXI token? Well, the MXI token is created on top of the XRP ledger. You can go to any XRP ledger DEX. You could trade XRP for MXI. You could trade RLUSD for MXI. You could trade other tokens for MXI. Well, I have made a little tutorial here with the Zaman wallet. I took a screenshot, and this is how you add MXI to the Zaman wallet. I'm going to show you the video here. I'm going to enlarge the screen, but the first thing you do when you go to your main screen on Zaman is you click on the add a token button. Then you go to the ecosystem, then you type in MXI, then you set the trust line, then you sign the transaction, and you're good to go. Here, I'll show you right here if we hit play. And it's that simple. There is the trust line set, MXI within the Zaman ecosystem. And at the beginning here, as I stated, the first thing you do is click on add a token and then choose all of the tokens, type in MXI, set the trust line, and you are good to go, people. So get out and touch the grass, get out and visit family. Have a great day. Have a good time. Enjoy the ride. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, The James Rule Crypto Show. Thank you very much for all of your wonderful comments out there. Have a good weekend. Do the right thing. And don't forget, I told you so.